What is up, guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're going to be adding some demo content to our website because we don't have much time to add so much content to this. Okay, so what we will be doing, we will be getting a plugin, okay, and we will be installing that. Okay, so we basically want to search that which plugin suits this. So I'm going to add demo post for WordPress plugin. Okay, so we want to add some demo posts to our website. So you can see that we have so many plugins. It says WP Post Demo, WP Example Content, WP Demo Data Creator, WP Latest Post, and Faker Press and one-click demo import. So I think this Faker Press has so many votes right here, and it says create random meta information. WordPress is meta for users, posts, terms, and comments. Faker Press will allow you to generate custom dummy content for all four with 20 type of data. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna install the Faker Press. I'm gonna hit add new. Let's close this tab and let's work with this plugin. So basically I already showed you what are the plugins. Plugins are basically called apps. Apps means that you can add different type of functionalities. Like there are so many apps for photo editing. If you want to edit photo, if you want to do anything, you have to install app. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna install Faker Press. I'm gonna search basically, and here we go. I'm gonna hit install now, and let's see if this is working perfectly. This is being installed right here, and it is installed. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna hit activate to activate this plugin. Okay, and there we go. Here we go. You can see it is coming right here. I'm gonna go to the Faker Press right here, and I want to go to the settings right here. So I want to add some. So it says erase Faker data, delete the call never bothered me ever. To erase all the data just generated, just type let it go. Okay, and API. Setting up an API is fully optional. Application consumer key will not respect meta. Okay, so I want to go to this right here to get the API. Setting up 5000 PX API connection is fully optional. So it is fully optional, but if you want it, you can add that. So what is it? It will grab some images. Okay, it will grab some images and add that. So this is basically a marketplace. This is alternative to unsplash.com. If you want to add images as well, then you need to add these API as well. So let me show you how the featured image works first, okay, and then we will be adding that. So let me show you how the featured images works on the post. Let's go to the all post right here, and let's add some featured images. I'm gonna go to this one. The Dell releases a new Core i7. Okay. So I'm gonna open this up. Okay. I'm gonna hit view. Okay, and you can see that this is a normal post. We don't have any image right here. I'm gonna hit edit post, and we're gonna add a featured image right here. Okay, so we're gonna get an image from unsplash.com, or let's add that the normal image that we have in the gallery. I'm gonna go to the media library, and you can see no items found. Okay, we want to upload a file. I'm gonna go to the desktop right here, and I want to grab this this one. So this is also the normal laptop. I'm gonna hit set featured image right now, and you can see that this should be added. So I'm gonna hit update right now, and I'm gonna view my post now. So let's see how this is gonna look. There we go. You can see that this is the featured image that we have right here is coming like this. So you can basically completely edit this whole page with the Elementor if you want to as well. I'm going to show you later on. And if I also go to the Dell right here, then you can see this is coming like this. Dell releases a new Core i7 laptop, and here is everything. And then here it says continue reading. So this is by me, and then it says that this December 9, and then it says the Dell/laptop sends you a comment. So this is how the featured images work, and I would highly recommend you to add featured images because the featured images works a lot in your blog post. Okay, so make sure that you add featured image for every of your blog post. You will understand it later on why they are so important. Okay, so we basically want to create an account here just to get these images. Okay, setting up 500 px API connection is fully optional. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna go to continue with Google. Let's come here and I want to continue with Google. So I'm gonna select my account, allow, and here we go. You can see it's gonna sign me in, and here it says got I create idea for an app, and it says register your application. So what I want to do, I'm just gonna come here and it says the application name and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and this is going to be my site name. So this is basically S2 complete WP course. Okay, and the description, I have my test site. Application URL is this. So I'm gonna copy this whole URL and I'm gonna paste it. Callback URL should be this. Okay, JavaScript SDK support URL. Okay, just undo this. Okay, and we have support URL developers emails. We can add the developers email, and I'm gonna hit accept, and I'm gonna hit register right now. So here it says this. Okay, you can see this is coming right here. I am going to, this is my basically the API. So I want to go to, I want to find the API. See application details. Here I have the consumer key, consumer secret, and everything. I'm gonna grab this consumer key, copy, and come here and paste. And let's hit save. And you can see that this has been saved right here. So updated 500px consumer application settings. I'm gonna go to this right here in the users. And here we have the user. So meta field rules. And we have the quantity, how many users should be generated. Use both fields to set to get a randomized number of users when given a range. So you can choose 3 to 12 or 5 to 16 users. We need this much users to be generated. Use HTML on your randomized user description and roles. So roles would be author. Okay, sampling roles to be used. Select meta field rules, select a field type, and this is going to be, so I don't think so if we want to add some users to right here. We just want the post only. Okay, so let's go to the post and let's grab some post. So I think I want the post to be like 50 post to the 100. 50 to 100 posts should be generated. Okay, and the date should be this week. Okay, we can also choose this year. So the date would be generated from this to this. The post type would be post. The parent would be this. The comment status would be this. Image provider can be placeholder, unsplash.it, lorem pixel, and 500 pixel that we have added our account right here. Okay, so image will be added from this. Okay, and then we have the author right here. So author will be this, the only user that I am right here. Okay, there's some itching in my nose. I don't know why. So it might be so, I know, confusing to you, and it might be so irritating as well. So I'm sorry for that. Okay, let's come here and we have the taxonomies, tags, and categories. Which terms can be used? Okay, so we have the category Android. We have Dell computers. We have the category HTC. And we have these. So I think these can be used in the category section. So these categories will be automatically assigned, and so you'll see how this plugin is gonna work. Basically, you guys are gonna love it totally. Okay, I'm just gonna grab all the categories. Category Dell, and the last one is the category Windows. So then we have the rate, percentage rate of posts that will have the terms generated for amount below. So 85. Then we have how many terms will be selected from 1 to 4. So maximum, I think 2 categories can be selected. Okay, or let's go for 3. Then we have the meta field rules. Attachment would be thumbnail ID, and attachment can be for placeholder, unsplash, lorem pixel, 500 pixel. And then we have the pixel. So if you need the pixel of your thing that you can also generate it, but I don't think I want it to be I want you to leave it as default. I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna hit generate, so it's gonna generate all these posts. You can see this is coming right here and it's gonna generate it. Since we are generating so many posts right here, you can see 50 to 100 posts, this is gonna take some time. I think maybe an hour, or maybe just it would take not much time. So I'm just pausing my video, and when it is done, I'll be back. Okay, so it is showing me an error, and this is saying gateway timeout. Okay, because we have selected that 60 minutes, or sorry, 60 seconds can be the max. So let's see how many posts this plugin has generated. Okay, it has generated so many. We have 17 posts right here. Okay, let's just come here again, and let's just choose this to be 5, from 5 to from 10. Why this is coming like this? Okay, let me refresh this. Okay, I want to come here. I want it to be 5 to 15. So let's create these posts. Okay, I want to come here and I want to hit generate. So it is generating. We need so many posts right here. Okay, so when this is generated, I'll be back. Okay, there we go. It says faked so many. I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna hit this again because I want so many posts right here. Okay, let's wait. And there we go. So we also need some comments as well. So I'm just gonna come here, and the type is default. Post type should be post. The quantity should be 5 to 15. Okay, so don't use a very large number. Okay, otherwise it's gonna take some time and something like that. Okay, then we have select a field type. So let's choose this to be the default one. Okay, let me just come here, and it says the generate. Okay, I want to come here. I want to refresh this page. Okay, and then we have this right here. I want to come here and I want to hit generate. So we also need some 5 to 15 comments. Okay, I'm gonna hit generate right now, and these comments should be generated. So it has generated these comments. Let's generate it more. Let's generate. Let's hit generate. So we need some more comments right here. Okay, and it has generated some comments right here. Let's go to comments and let's see if the comment has been generated. Okay, this is going good. Cool. Now let's go to view our website and let's have a look at our blog post. Okay, I want to go to /all post. There we go. We have this. So we have some images coming right here. Some. Not every post has these images. I don't know why, but some post has it. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so now you can see this is how our blog post is looking. Okay, I want to go to the dashboard right here. I want to go to the all post. And I want the post to be added, that featured image. Okay, just leave that. So what I want to do, I just basically want to edit our homepage. Okay, and now you can see that our all post is showing all the posts that we have on a blog page. So if a company tells you that they need their blog page to be there, then you need to create some like this. Okay, you need to create it. Basically, you can see this is how it is looking, this is how it is coming. We have continue reading, we have this, and every post is coming right here. If I just go to the page 2, you can see how this is coming. Okay, If I just open this up, you can see this is coming like this. So we have you might also like, and this is under the computers category. So this is how it is looking. Okay, I want to go to the best blog right here again. Okay, and we basically want to just work with it. So I don't think so if this plugin is working great. I don't know why, because this plugin did not add the featured images to all the things. So what I want to do, I just want to go to the fake press. I want to go to the settings right here, and I want to just hit let it go. To erase all generated, type let it go exclamation mark. Let's hit delete and delete all the content, because I think I'll just wait for some time. I'll pause my video and I'll just add these posts with my own featured images so that you may understand everything easily. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pause my video right now and I'm gonna add these posts. You can see that all the posts must be deleted that we added using that plugin. You can see, oh my god, every post is deleted now. So okay, no problem. Okay, so we have to do everything from scratch. Okay, these are created, these are not deleted, thank god. Okay, so I have to do everything from scratch. I'll just post every post, okay, and with featured images, because featured images are really very important. Okay, and the design is based on the images, so that is why I think we need the featured images. I'll post every post with the featured images, and then we will be working up with the designing of the blog page, that how can we design the blog page. Basically now it would be very easier for you to understand that how blog page works. Okay, but we will be working up with the design in the next video, so stay tuned guys, and in the next video I'll just be adding some posts and then we'll be working up with it. Goodbye.